Welcome back to Autoscope. The McLaren Motorhome in 2026 will be known as the Velocity Hub. External design sleek and aerodynamic. Compared to conventional RVs, the design will be sleeker and more aerodynamic, potentially lowering them considerably and reducing wind resistance during transportation. Dynamic LED lighting. Thin LED lighting strips will be used to subtly decorate the top and sides. Intelligent expansion modules. Unlike traditional RVs that extend outward horizontally, the 2026 McLaren Motorhome may use a more intelligent system of vertical or multi-directional expansion modules. Adaptive privacy windows. The large windows may make use of smart glass technology, which can switch between clear and opaque. Integration of solar technology. The roof surface may be covered with incredibly thin, smoothly integrated solar panels. Interior design. Premium ergonomic seats. Created with ergonomics in mind, the seats will be made of breathable, light materials to provide optimal comfort during lengthy briefings. Adaptive multi-screen wall. This portion will have a large screen that can display several bits of information at once on its entire wall. Advanced communications system. Provides low latency, secure communications by fully integrating with the manufacturing and pit lane operations center. Elegant minimalist design. The space will have a straightforward, minimalist appearance thanks to the use of high-quality materials. Adaptive lighting is a lighting system that can be adjusted to suit different moods. Integrated entertainment system. Disguised screens that may appear to display news, race highlights, or McLaren advertisements. Cooking. The kitchen will be designed for maximum efficiency and will be furnished with cutting-edge commercial cooking equipment and ingenious storage. Advanced recycling system. An environmentally conscious, state-of-the-art waste recycling system. Several sound-isolated pods or small cubicles with comfortable recliner seats or even fold-out beds are available. Light and sound therapy to encourage relaxation and stress reduction. Light and sound therapy systems may be implemented.